Dear student class 10, today I am going to discuss about the chapter 8, the democracy of Bangladesh and the election. Democracy is a most acceptable and popular concept and most acceptable and challenging form of government in the present world. It is extensively getting very popular in almost every country of the world. Generally, generally means a form of government in which the sovereign power uh, resides in the people as a whole and is exercised by them instead of a system of government where power is occupied by a small number of individuals as in a oligarchy. The characteristics of democracy are governance through the public representative, popular participation in public function, preservation of freedom, and promotion of public welfare. The system of government in is Bangladesh also democratic. It is very important for your MCQ. The national election for parliament is held in Bangladesh too. So, at first, we are going to discuss the concept of democracy. The former US President Abraham Lincoln defined democracy as government of the people, by the people, for the people. It is very important for your MCQ. Read it more and more. According to Professor Gettel, democracy is a form of government where people are entitled to participate in exercise of the sovereign power on behalf of them. Generally, democracy is in fact a system of government formed and governed for the sake of the interest of the majority. It does not mean actually democracy means the governed by the people, the state run by the opinion of people, and they are who run the country, their representative, people's representative run the country. It does not mean that democracy will deny views and interests of the minorities. Rather, all the considers equal in the eyes of the law in democracy. The democracy, which has been established as the most effective system to regulate public affairs so far, is undoubtedly a popular concept in the. It is very important. Democracy is a popular concept in the 20th century. That is why democracy is one of the subject worth studying pertaining to society and state. Establishment of democracy as a form of government is a consequence of historical process. Democracy, it is important for your MCQ. Democracy was first established in the city of Athens of ancient Greece, the capital of Greece, and the Athens is the capital of Greece. The Athenians would understand such a political governing system by democracy in which the whole people could directly participate. The Athenian democracy could not continue on the move later. A considerable long duration in the Middle Ages got elapses in the hierarchy of religion and lord. The autocratic reign and the feudal system of government. After a long gap, democracy got rebirth. It is very important for your MCQ. Got rebirth in Europe in the 17th century. When did rebirth the democracy? In Europe, 17th century and 18th century. In the 19th and 20th century, democracy system was established in different countries of the world. England is marked as the main source of democracy thought of the 18th century. Look, different types of democracy. How many types of democracy? Democracy usually introduced in two basic forms. One is the direct democracy and another direct democracy or pure democracy, and another is indirect democracy or representative democracy. Direct democracy. The direct democracy is a form of government in which the eligible adult citizen participate in the governance personally. Initially, the direct democracy was introduced in a small city in Athens. Actually, direct democracy introduced in Athens because the population size is very small. But at present, the population size is not small, very large. So it is not applicable for direct democracy is not applicable for large population country, any other country. All the citizens of the state directly took part in legislation, decision making, imposing tax, justice, and other jurisdiction. But the concept of citizen was narrow then. Everyone did not enjoy the honor of a citizen. A modern state is big size, is big in size, has a large population as well. So there is no scope to exercise direct democracy over there. But in some regions of Switzerland, the system of democracy, direct democracy still exists in Switzerland, some portion of or some regions of Switzerland. Mind it. Look, the direct and representative democracy. Indirect democracy means rule by elected representative. It is important for your MCQ. In this system, the citizens don't directly take part in the state affairs. The elected representative, actually the people of any country could not interfere or directly participate in the administrative work or administrative system, cause their representative only will participate in the administrative system. The elected representative enact law and run the state as well. In the modern state, the indirect and representative democracy is prevailing. Merit and demerits. Look, in democracy, the rules of laws are established. It is a system of responsible governance in which the government is elected directly by the people and remains accountable to the citizen. A democratic system of the government is a system which is governed by the public opinion. Actually, it is made by the public opinion and public expression. Any autocratic operation, repression, or control are not all the desirable in this system. In democratic governance, people interest get priority in making the state policy and other things. People's individual freedom of speech are ensured in this system. As a result, a political sense grows among the people. In this system of government, the ruling party of government is treated as the people's government. Very, very important. The ruling party of government is treated as the people's government. When such government loses the trust of the people, it can no longer survive. If it is survive, if it is want to stay long days or long years, we can call it autocratic government. Under such form of government, can an individual may enjoy the privilege of self-development. A democratic government is benevolent government. Its main goals is the very, very important. Its main democratic governments or its main goal is the welfare of the people. In democratic form of government, there are some limitation and shortcoming. Look, shortcoming. Democracy. Plato and Aristotle termed democracy as a ruling system of the illiterate and incompetent people, because many irrational, incompetent, and corrupted person may be elected. If actually Plato and Aristotle want to say it, if country's people are not educated, they select a irrational, incompetent, and corrupted person. and the main goals of the democracy is failed by this type of people. As a result, the objective of the democracy are not achieved in lack of knowledgeable politicians. Many problems arise in governance. uh, in the perspective of Bangladesh, you see a lot of incompetent and corrupted person involved in politics and govern the country. So, for this reason, our country cannot achieve their prosperity or main goals. A matter of fact, democracy turns into governance by the majorities where the minorities cannot send their representative to the legislative body, for which the government in power mainly disinterested in the matter of complaints or needs. Many controversial opinions and views are noticed in democracy, for which difference of opinions and conflict on political issues are created and destroy the national unity. When when political parties fail to come to a consensus, the nation become divided and democracy become ineffective, because this type of people cannot run the country properly, and they made many controversial opinions from the people. In underdeveloped countries, the ruling party governs the state by keeping their own party interest. As a result, neutrality becomes futile, and hesitation among the mass people in inevitable. Democracy is largely an expansion ruling system involving frequent electoral arrangement, forming public opinions, comprehensive propaganda, for which the political parties as well as the candidates have to spend a lot of money. Democracy of Bangladesh. Actually, it is a long history of Bangladesh. Actually, we the parliamentary system of government adopted in Pakistan in 1947, having the name of East Pakistan. Bangladesh was a part of East Pakistan. It took 9 years to form a constitution, but Bangladesh took only 10 months to make a constitution. In fact, either prime minister or the governor general used to form a cabinet with a chosen few without taking any opinion of the National Assembly. General Ayub Khan declared, when did General Ayub Khan declare the martial law? 1958. And look, democracy had been raised at the first national election. Assembly was held in Pakistan. So we want to say the first general election in Pakistan was held in Pakistan in 1970. And look, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman proclaimed the independence of Bangladesh on 26 March 1971. Ultimately, Bangladesh got had independence through a bloody war of 9 months in 1971. Post independence till today, 3 political parties came to power: Awami League, BNP, and Jatiyo Party. Mind it, the Bangladesh Awami League first formed the government under the leadership of Bangabandhu. The Bengali nation achieved their independence under the leadership of Bangabandhu. The Awami League government initiated different steps of establishment of progressive 10 months after the independence, achieving the recognition of 140 states, and they made or introduced effective the constitution 1972 16 December, and getting membership of the UN, OIC, first membership of Bangladesh Commonwealth, and their other international organizations by holding the general election 7th March 1973. When did actually held the when did the general election, first general election of Bangladesh held? 7th March 1973. On 15 August 1975, the father of nation Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and family embraced martyrdom at the hand of a group of aberrant army personnel backed by a local and foreign notorious circle. It is important. And Bangladesh confirmed turning reversely with continued until the mass revolt the 90. And we know the country was under the martial law 15 years after the post 75 political turmoil. uh, Student-led mass movement 90, caretaker government leadership Justice Shahabuddin Ahmed holding the national parliament election 27 February 1991. Actually, 1991 introduced again the democracy in Bangladesh. The Bangladesh National Party BNP won the election 1991, and after a cabinet and 6 August 91, but the Constitution 12th Amendment. When did 12th Amendment held? 6th August 1991. Mutual consent of all the parties in a body. And look, by-election in constituencies of Mirpur, Dhaka 1993 and Magura 94. It created a suspicion among the parties in opposition at the national level that no election would be free and fair. And 147 MPs of the opposition resigned from the parliament. The Awami League and Jatiyo Party and Jamaat Islam moved demanding the formatting the non-party caretaker government. The BNP government ignored their demand and doggedly held the general election on 15 February 1996. The Awami League and the other political parties boycott the election, and the so-called voter-less election. We observe it more time. The election lost its legitimacy and importance due to boycott by the opposition parties. In 4-day session of the parliament, a bill establishing the system of caretaker government was passed and introduced in the constitution as the 13th Amendment in 1996. Actually, 13th Amendment of constitution passed in 1996. It's important. 7th parliament election was held in 12th June 1996. And Awami League initiated different policies to strengthen the democracy in the state. And look, following the 18th parliament election held on 1st October 2001, the four-party alliance led by the BNP Jamaat from the government. And this government purposefully for the sake of its party interest and extend the age justice in service 2 years. Actually, the retirement is 2 years. Actually, they increase the retirements of justice 2 years from 65 to 67 as parts of his blueprint of to choose their convenient and probable candidates for the next chief advisor, and made impartiality of the subsequent chief advisor of the caretaker government and the chief election commissioner controversial. A most critical political situation was created in the country at such a state in 2007, and indirect army interference by the chief of the army, General Moyug Ahmed, took part in the politics, and army-backed government of the chief advisor Dr. Fakhruddin Ahmed, then chief of the interior government, was in power for 2 years. They tried their best to survive through an unconstitutional way by arresting both the political chiefs of the two major parties After 2 years, the caretaker government was compelled to declare time and schedule for the general election. The election of 9th Parliament and election was held in 29 December 2008. The Greater Alliance, led by the Awami League, formed the government by achieving landslide victory. 10th National Parliament election was held in 5th January 2014. We've already overcome the 10th National Parliament. Now the 11th National Parliament remain now. In this election, Awami League again formed government after winning the election. The political parties. A political parties organized in the modern state governance. In fact, nowadays, representative government means political government. No exercise of a democratic state is imagined with the political parties. Definition of a political party is Professor Gattel. A political party consists of a group of citizens more or less organized who act as a political unit who by use of their voting powers aim to control the government and carry out their general policies. It can be said that a political party is an organization of the people whose members and supporters agree in opinions about such the problems and seek to take over the power as a constitutional way and to implement the agenda fixed by the party. These are the four objectives of the political parties. Very, very important. Read it properly. The main objectives of the political parties to identify the problem of the country and make programs and policies and implement them, to create public support, to achieve national progress and development, to assume power through a systematic legal electoral process. Rules of the political party democratic system. The existence the roles of the political parties in a democratic system. The existence of a powerful and well organized political party, it is important for a CQ, is one of the leading provision for the success in a democratic government system of government. Every political party, after identify different political and social economic problem and adopt its policies and through specific program, the political parties arrange meeting, gathering, holding talk show to make their party policies plan public and try to have support. The important function of the political parties are to nominate candidates in the national election of the country and convince the voters. The main function of the political party is to form the government after winning the election. The opposition has an important role in democratic system of government. A party or the parties that fail to get the majority in the election play the vital role of opposition. Opposition help, very, very important, the parliament acting by initiating debate, criticizing the policies of the government, raising pending proposals and expressing opinions on different issues. The member of the ruling party say with the people of the respective localities, explain the policies and decision of the government of the people. The political party carry on their movement in order to realize the due right of the citizen and independent state. The role of the political parties to a democratic state are inevitable. The relation between democracy and election, very, very important. The fundamental aspect of democracy is the election. No democratic system can be imagined without election. There is no other alternative to election in a democratic form of government, to run the state by the people's representatives. In modern democratic form of government, all parts of the country belong to the people, and through electoral process the people may discard the previous government, the previous ruling party. The people don't trust the government or the party that ignore the interest or opinion of the people. The system of election in Bangladesh and national parliament. Look, direct democracy was customary in the city states of an ancient Greece. Look, the election process which representative uh, may be elected from the candidates of different parties in order to govern the country on the behalf of the people. On the other hand, the election is a system through which the adult eligible citizen of the state elect their representative by casting their votes as per their own choice. The citizens who have legal rights to vote or enjoy the dignity to cast are called, very important, are called voters or electors. All voters in a body, very important, are generally termed as a electoral body. The whole of the country is divided into some electoral constituencies. Look, when the national parliamentary election held, then we observe whole of the country divided into some electoral constituencies like 300 constituencies. Each constituency elect its representative. The parliament of the legislative assembly is formed with the elected representative. In Bangladesh, the parliament election is held at national level. There are two kinds of electoral system in different countries of the world, such as direct election, indirect election. In Bangladesh, the direct election is in a practice. Direct election is in practice. The indirect election system in electoral process in which voters casting their votes directly from a midterm electoral agencies now known as electoral college. The electoral college finally elect the representative or the president. The president of the United States of America is elected in this way. Total areas of Bangladesh have been divided into 300 constituencies. The election commission declared the time for holding election and election schedule. In fact, the candidates get the opportunity of fighting in the election, having nomination from the political party. Besides, there is a reservation of 50 representation of women in the parliament. They are divided in the proportion of elected constituency. Look, the election commission